Hey, what's going on? It's Tanya here. Welcome back to the channel. My main topic of discussion today is an innovative e-commerce program named the Wholesale Formula that can revolutionize your business. If you are already running an online store or you are an aspiring online entrepreneur, this video is going to be very informative for you. We will be delving into the fundamentals of wholesale, its advantages, and how the wholesale formula can assist you in achieving your e-commerce objectives. First things first, let me show you my results. Using the wholesale formula, you can see some of my current results on my Amazon FBA, and you can see that today's sale started in the morning. And you can see that current month's result, which is around £19,000 in just 30 days. And you can see some of my current earning statements as well. You can see £10,000, £4,000, £3,000, £2,000, £1,000, even more than that every single week. And you can see my current orders that are dispatched. You can see I am receiving every day tons of sales and tons of orders every single day. The wholesale formula really changed my life, and you can see my current month results of February 2023, which is around £18,719 in just 19 days. You can see the live results of mine. That's right, 6 figures in less than 3 months. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it. But that's not all. One of the things I love most about the wholesale formula is the emphasis on building a sustainable long-term business. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme or a one-time cash grab. The strategies taught in this program are designed to help you build a real business that can continue to grow and thrive over time. The program is broken down into easy-to-follow modules that cover everything you need to know to get started. You'll learn how to identify profitable product opportunities, how to find reliable suppliers, how to negotiate deals, and how to create a strong brand and product listing that stands out from the competition. Now, you can see one of my currency eBay seller results. So I'm making 6-figure income using eBay as well. So this eBay method is different. I make a course and implement myself along with my students, and all my students have the great success results with my course. So you can also get this eBay course as free bonuses. The bonus course that I'll be sharing with you is designed to help you take your business to the next level and make even more money in this course. I'll be sharing some of my personal tips and strategies that I've used to continue growing my business and making more sales. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level and start making serious money, then you need to check out the Wholesale Formula. With its comprehensive training program and my bonus course, you'll have everything you need to build a successful, sustainable business that can continue to grow and thrive over time. Don't just take my word for it. So you need to join the Wholesale Formula from these video links in the description below. Once you join the Wholesale Formula, email me at support@easyprofitformula.com to receive the eBay bonus course ASAP. However, the course cost around $4,999 for other students, but somebody who joined through our link in the description below, we provide it for free as bonuses. The Wholesale Formula Basics. The Wholesale Formula is an online course that teaches people how to start and grow a successful wholesale business. In this section, I will explain what the Wholesale Formula is, how it works, and how you can get started. So, what is the Wholesale Formula? Simply put, it's a comprehensive training program that teaches people how to find and source profitable products at wholesale prices, and then sell them for a profit on various online marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. The program was created by Dan Meadors and Eric Lambert, who are successful entrepreneurs who have used these strategies to build their own multi-million-dollar wholesale businesses. One of the key benefits of using the wholesale formula is access to quality products at low prices. When you buy products at wholesale prices, you can get them for much less than the retail price. This means you can sell them for a high profit margin and make more money. Another benefit is the ability to sell on multiple marketplaces, which means you can reach a larger audience and increase your sales. So, how do you get started with the wholesale formula? First, you need to sign up for the program and complete the training modules. The program is designed to take you step by step through the process of finding and sourcing profitable products, creating effective listings, and optimizing your sales. You'll also learn about important topics like pricing, branding, and customer service. In addition to the training modules, the wholesale formula also provides access to a supportive community of like-minded entrepreneurs. This community can be a valuable resource for getting feedback on your ideas, troubleshooting problems, and getting inspired by other people's success stories. To succeed with the wholesale formula, you need to be committed to putting in the time and effort to learn the strategies and apply them to your own business. You also need to be willing to take risks and be persistent in the face of obstacles. The wholesale formula is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a proven system for building a profitable and sustainable wholesale business over time. In summary, the wholesale formula is a powerful tool for anyone who wants to start and grow a successful wholesale business. By providing access to quality products at low prices, multiple online marketplaces, and a supportive community of entrepreneurs, this program can help you achieve your financial goals and create the lifestyle you desire. Let's discuss my personal success story. Now that we've covered the basics of the wholesale formula, let me share with you my personal success story using this incredible program. I started using the wholesale formula last year, and it completely changed my life. Within just 90 days of using the wholesale formula, I made over $100,000 in profit. And the best part, I did it all from the comfort of my own home. It all started with the training provided by the wholesale formula. The program taught me everything I needed to know about finding the best wholesale products and selling them on multiple marketplaces for maximum profit. One of the key things that the wholesale formula taught me was how to find quality products at low prices. These allowed me to offer my customers great deals while still making a substantial profit. And by selling on multiple marketplaces, I was able to reach a wider audience and increase my sales even further. Of course, like any new venture, there were challenges along the way. But thanks to the support and the guidance of the wholesale formula team, I was able to overcome those challenges and achieve my goals. For example, one challenge I faced was finding the right suppliers for my products. But with the help of the wholesale formula, I was able to identify the best suppliers and negotiate great deals with them. And by following their step-by-step process, I was able to build a strong relationship with those suppliers, ensuring a steady supply of quality products of my business. Overall, my experience with the wholesale formula has been nothing short of amazing. The program provided me with the knowledge, tools, and support I needed to succeed in the world of online selling. And as you can see from my personal success story, the results speak for themselves. Let's discuss how to replicate my success. Now it's time to talk about my bonus course, Broke to $100K per month. In this course, I'll be sharing everything I've learned about eBay to achieve massive success selling products online. Have you ever dreamt of making it big in the world of e-commerce? Well, let me tell you, with this course, you can turn your dreams into reality. I'm going to share with you everything I've learned about selling on eBay, and trust me, it is going to be a game changer for you. The best part, you'll get all of this information from someone who's been there, done that, and made a ton of money doing it. I'll be your personal guide, sharing all of my insider knowledge and expertise. With this course, you'll have the tools you need to achieve massive success on eBay. In conclusion, the Wholesale Formula is an incredible tool for anyone looking to make money online. As I've shown you, it's a proven system that can lead to huge profits in a short amount of time. By using the techniques and strategies outlined in the program, you can access quality products at low prices, sell on multiple marketplaces, and achieve high profits. In addition to sharing my personal success story, I'm also offering a bonus course that will teach you how to replicate my success. In Broke to $100K per month, you'll learn everything you need to know to find profitable products, negotiate with suppliers, and sell on eBay. This course has already helped countless people achieve their financial goals, and I'm confident it can help you too. So, if you want to check it out below, go ahead. Hope you got value from this review. If you do, comment and like if you have any questions as it relates to the Wholesale Formula. Subscribe to the channel and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. I'll see you in the next video.